Panther, it's okay. It's okay. No worry. Panther just have another injection of antibiotic because she has some issue on the wounds, open wounds on her body, and then she has a numb on the here. Doctor said it should be okay. I mean, we'll see what's up. So give her some medicine for her bone and joint because she sounds like very strange in defecation. 好奇怪啊 ，Panther 咧去廁所咧好怪嘅，係咪啊？你撐晒痕㗎嘛 ，Panther 係咪？嗱呢個係醫院啊，我同你接 doctor 呢度。I need a lady.
Thank you, sweet. So this is the new and improved one. Yeah, so they added more things to it. So this just really is a fabulous medication.
Yeah.
So you just open it up and just put
brand.
it in her food.
Good
Okay.
brand.
And she got her antibiotic injection. I cleaned her ears and we cleaned back there. And she is able to get around well, but she is a little.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I do want to try this with her. I want to see if she works a little bit better with that.
Okay. I'm glad that you are aware. Thank you so much.
Yes, you're welcome. I know my Panther. I know my Panther.
Panther is a good girl.
She is a very good girl.
So cute. Okay, thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
Thank you. This is the medicine
Yeah.
I'm going to try.
Yes.